we are at C. Let's keep going for it. Let's keep going for it. Okay, so C, what is it now? It's going to be limit lows. Limit lows are easy. Okay, we won't have a problem with those. Limit as x goes to a of g of x, right? Of g of x plus 3 times f of x. So it's like the limit laws. We have the one for adding, where it's like you separate them and you take the limits of each one. When you are multiplying, you just put the number which is multiplying outside, you take the limit. And then when there is a power, you take the limit, then you raise to the power after. Those are just the limit laws. So in here, they are adding. So of course, we separate, right, for a limit law. So it's going to be the limit as x approaches a. We separate first of this first one, then the second one. So of g of x, then plus, since this 3 is outside, we put it outside of the limit. So we can say plus 3 times the limit as x approaches a, okay, as x approaches a of f of x. Is it f of x? Is the other one f of x? Yes. So this 3 just goes outside, okay? It goes outside. Then we can say this is going to be, what is the limit as x approaches a of g of x? The limit as x approaches a of g of x is 0. So this is going to be 0. Then plus 3 times the limit as x approaches a of f of x is negative 3. So it's going to be this. Then it's going to be 0 plus 3 by negative 3 is negative 9. And that is going to be negative 9. This is going to be your final solution and you're done. This is so easy. Come on. Now we do part D. Okay. Think when it comes to working out things, we don't ever fear nothing. As x goes to a of f of x O squared. What is this going to be? Well, we know that we take the limit, then we square outside. So it's going to be the limit as x goes to a of f of x. Then you are going to say O squared. You square outside. The limit as x goes to